Ayan, hello everyone. So for today's video, I would like to teach you how to make a table napkin, or I call it spoon and fork holder. Okay? So ganyan lang natin yan. Isang cloth. Tutupi lang natin. Ayan, hatiin sa gitna. Then ganyan. And yan. So ang gagawin lang natin dyan, iganon lang natin. And then, i-fold lang natin to. Ayan, papaloob. Okay, and another one. This one, papaloob lang din natin yan. Yan. Okay, and then another one. Ito, ipapaloob lang natin doon. Make it sure lang na pantay dito ha, para magkaroon tayo ng beautiful lining. Okay, yan. And syempre, next, ganyan lang natin. Yan, fold. And ito, kunin natin to, ipo-fold na natin to. Ipo-fold lang natin na ganyan. And syempre, ipapasok natin dito para mag-lock. Okay? Para mag-lock siya. Okay? And tananan! So, we have a simple fork and spoon holder. So, ito. Meron tayo dito. Ayan. So, lagyan lang natin dito. Ayan. And this one. Okay? So, we have a simple fork and spoon holder, okay, or table napkin.